Hello my dear students, welcome to Learn with Chamo. Today we are going to learn about addition of directed numbers using number lines. Before learning how to add, we'll see what are directed numbers. Okay, so what are directed numbers? Simply, numbers which has a direction and a magnitude is known as directed number. We know numbers have a magnitude. Magnitude is simply the size of the number. For example, when I say 1, you can imagine of a 1 apple. If I say 10, you can imagine of 10 books. So it has a size. The number has a size. It has a magnitude. So let's go with the next term, that is direction. Or you know some sets of directions: east, west, south, and north. When I say left, right, in between, likewise. But what are the direction in numbers? For my convenience, let me explain with a number line. In smaller grades, I guess you have learned about number line which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And also there are some set of numbers which are less than 0. These numbers are usually written in minus in front like this. So the numbers which are placed right with a plus sign, or this can be written even without a plus sign, is considered as positive numbers. And we call them as positive integers. Integer means it's a number, it's a whole number without any decimal or a fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, without any decimal and fraction we known as integer. So integers means literally the same, the numbers, or positive numbers or positive integers. And numbers with negative signs we call as negative numbers. So minus mark is written in front of these numbers, so we call them negative numbers or negative integers. And can you see here positive numbers, negative numbers, and apart from these two things, there is another special number that you can see, that is 0. 0 is neither a positive nor negative number. So right of this number line represent positive numbers, left side represent the negative numbers. So starting from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, it will go like that. Alright, let's start with the addition of directed numbers using number line. This is very quiet, interesting game. We call it the bunny game. So the whole lesson will depend on this bunny game, so listen carefully. There are some rules, 2 rules in this game. The first rule is you have to jump to the right side when it is a plus number. When it is a plus number, you have to jump right like a bunny, like this. So one hop, the second hop, likewise. So what is rule number 2? You have to jump left when it is minus number. So this is the first hop of this bunny, and the second hop towards the left. So those are the 2 rules. Now let's move with question number 1. So if you can remember, for plus signs, what is the side? It's a right hop. For minus, it's a left hop. Okay, here question number 1, it shows plus 2 plus 3. The first thing you have to do is mark 0 on the number line. Mark 0 on the number line. Then, take the first number, that is plus 2. Plus 2, what is the sign? Plus. Plus means, according to the bunny game, it should be a right hop. So bunny should jump towards right. Then, let's jump right like this. First hop, second hop. Okay, only 2 hops are there, so 2 represents 2 hops towards right. Then mark plus 2. We have to move to the next number. After marking the first number, the second number is plus 3. Again, can you see the sign is plus, positive. So according to the bunny game, you have to jump towards right. How many hops? 3 hops. Then let's jump. So you have to start these 3 hops starting from this plus 2. Where u ends, you have to start next. Like this. 1 hop, 2 hop, 3 hop towards right. Then you have to mark the final destination. So that will be on plus 5. So what is the answer? Answer is, starting from 0, you have hopped, the total number of hops you have done is plus 5. The final destination is plus 5. So that will be your answer. Answer is plus 5. Let's move with the question number 2. Plus 4 plus minus 5. What is the very first step we have to do? You have to mark 0 like this. Then next, you have to start with the first number, that is plus 4. Plus 4, the sign is positive. You have to jump towards right. Okay, according to bunny game, you have to jump towards right. Let's jump towards right. How many hops? 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have marked. Okay. Then let's go with the second number, that is minus 5. What is the sign? Minus. Here the sign is minus. According to bunny game, dear students, what is the direction that we have to jump? Left hand side. Yes. So let's jump towards left hand side. How many hops? 5 hops. Yes. Starting from this position. Starting from plus 4. Where you end the journey, you have to start the next hop. Okay. You have to jump towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have done 5 hops towards left. Then we have come to the final destination. It is on minus 1. It's very simple. The only thing you have to keep it in mind is, if it is plus, jump towards right. If it is minus, jump towards left. Okay, let's move with question number 3. Minus 2 plus 5. First step, mark 0. What is the next first number? That is minus 2. Sign is what? Sign is minus. That means jump towards left. How many hops? 2. So you have to jump 2 steps towards left. Okay, let's jump. Okay, I have jumped 1 and 2 towards left. So I have marked this minus 2. Then what is the next term? The next number, that is plus 5. Okay, plus 5. The sign is positive. Positive, you have to jump right. How many hops? 5 hops. You have to jump 5 hops towards right. Let's jump. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have jumped 5 hops towards right. Then I have come to my final destination. It's on plus 3. So starting from 0, you have to mark this green line. 0 plus 3. So our final answer will be what? Plus 3. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. As a summary, what is our first rule? If the sign is positive, you have to jump towards right. If the sign is negative, you have to jump towards left. That's the only thing you have to keep it in mind. Quite easy. Just practice some sums according to this rule so you get the answer very easily. So thank you. Subscribe, like and share my channel. Let's meet with a new lesson.